Hi guys. If you learn nothing else, the most important thing that you can learn is Briffaults Law. Robert Stephen Briffault was born in 1876, died in 1948, became famous for his work as a social anthropologist. In his book, The Mothers, a study of the origins of sentiments and institutions, he stated the following: the female, not the male, determines all the conditions of the animal family. Where the female can derive no benefit from association with the male, no such association takes place. Since then, a few corollaries have been added. The first being, any benefit already provided by the male in the past does not guarantee continued or future association. The second, any agreement where the male provides a current benefit in return for a promise of future association is null and void as soon as the male has provided the benefit, and refer to Corollary 1 for that. The third, a promise of future benefit has limited influence on current and future associations. The influence is inversely proportionate to the length of time until the benefit will be given, and directly proportionate to the degree to which the female trusts the male. At this point, due to a number of recent legal cases, I propose a further corollary. Any benefit that can be derived from a previous interaction will be pursued with vigorous intent, whether or not the female intends to re-establish any interaction. In short, what this means is that as soon as you say "I do," you have entered into a contract with the state where you have committed to provide everything for your new wife, and she, on the other hand, has promised to reciprocate with absolutely nothing. At this point, you no longer have anything to offer her. Everything you have, and everything you will have in the future, is already hers. This means that when she divorces you, the state will ensure that you uphold your commitment to provide for her, and you will struggle just to keep a roof over your head. With these new developments, it means that even long after the divorce has been finalised, if she can see a way of actually having some sort of benefit from you, then she's going to do it. In fact, they don't care who they derive the benefit from. If you're male, you're a target. Now, if this seems a little far-fetched for you, I suggest, in fact, I would recommend that any man that's even considering a relationship should spend a day at court watching men get financially raped by them. In reality, women only associate with men if those men can provide them with some form of benefit. Statistics have shown that the majority of women, over 80%, will marry someone that earns more than them. This is part of women's nature. It's called hypergamy, or marrying up. They are always looking for the maximum benefit that they can obtain. It's why divorce is so common. Once you have promised her everything you have nothing left to offer her. So she is free to look for someone else to provide even more benefits. So, all I could say to you is, don't get married. You'd be better off just admitting to being a slave, because that's what it is. So, welcome to Mgtowpia. It's a much better place to live.